Right now, let's talk about how you can measure the iPad screen, and let's get started. So if you really want to figure out what your screen is, like the resolution and all of the other information, I would recommend you to open up the Safari and go to the official Apple's website where you can compare the iPad models. There is the same thing available for the iPhones as well, but if you open up, as you can see, it is the official apple.com website. And in here, you can look up the details in information about a particular iPad. It is important to know what your iPad really is. So for that, open up the settings, tap on General, and click on About. And in there, you can see that we have the iPad Pro 11-inch 3rd generation. So this is my current iPad. So if I return back to the Safari, this is what I need to look up for the comparison. So as you can notice, it was the iPad 11-inch 3rd generation. So this is exactly the iPad model which I currently have. And for that, you can see so many different things. So yeah, 11-inch display. So if you were interested in that, you can find it right here. But much more information about it, like the anti-reflective coating is there. We have the P3 white color and a ProMotion, and so many other things in here as well, right? So you can see the camera setup, the display, you can see the speaker setup, and all of the things. So the point is that you can, as you can see, we have a dedicated display section. So once you know your exact iPad model, you can go ahead and check out the exact PPI and pixels per inch and resolutions and all of the things from the official Apple source. So this is how I would go about it. Most definitely let me know below in the comments if you have any additional thoughts or some different idea of what you wanted to achieve. Let me know about that. But for now, that's going to be about it. Thanks a lot, and I'll catch you later.